Hello guys. Well,
Hello guys, we just out from our hostel and trying to go to Vishal Market. So please, actually this is not my channel. This is Mr. Nelson channel. So what's your channel name, please? Can you please tell?
Unity Vlog NELSM.
Yeah, Unity Blog. So I also have a channel. You can go and subscribe there. I'll put the description below. So please visit my channel also. And actually I just take a chance to talk here. I just speak instead of him. So we are just going to Vishal Market. Please be with to our video. We will see you. We will show you a beautiful view of Bangalore. So please.
Bisa na kay hala.
Guys, we are just moving. Please keep on watching. As you know, Bangalore is science of city, right?
Yes.
Yeah, science of city.
For Indian. In India
Yeah, in India. So we will see a beautiful sceneries, houses, building. We will find it here. If you visit Bangalore, you will find peace in mind. Not only in mind, in physically. So interesting.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, here you can see here in the Bangalore we are staying here. So guys, keep on watching guys. So guys, now I'm going to explain all my friends. So guys, here this is my friends Kumar. He have a channel here also. So don't worry guys, I'm going to show all for my friend YouTube channel in my description. So keep on watching guys. Here you can see he is popular than me, my subscriber than me. Here you can see he's almost 2K. So guys, keep on watching. You're going to wait. So guys, he's faster than me. So guys, here you can see the Bangalore, the weather and the condition. The weather is slightly normal. It is not much hot or cool. Also, it is just in normal. Here the building, you can see. If you have any doubt and confusion, you just go to my YouTube and see the condition. See, guys. So guys, this is Bangalore market till we don't reach the city. So guys, keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to show all the about the Bangalore, the background. So today we are in Bangalore. So guys, today we are going to Vishal Market. So guys, today we are going to Vishal Market. So guys, keep on watching. So we are moving now. We don't reach still. We are half of Vishal Market. So guys, how do you feel the Bangalore? So guys, finally, we almost reached the city. Wait, one more thing. So guys, one more thing guys. Now we are moving to Vishal Market. It is not far from our college to Vishal Market. Is just it will be 8 kilometer something, guys. Hello, let me introduce for my friend how it long far from our college to Vishal Market.
It's not long so it's just 3 or 4 kilometers long. Let me see. Please follow me out.
Okay, how do you feel the Bangalore?
Bangalore is fine. It's beautiful. The view is fine. I can't express how enjoyable. It's
Oh
nice.
my God! It means that it's very nice conditions in the weather, guys. So please do visit the Bangalore. Keep on visiting Bangalore. If you have any times, you come to Bangalore and visit. It is in India. We have your very opportunity and lucky. We have in India also states. Bangalore is a science state. Here we can find, you can learn many things about the science. So you come to Bangalore, you can find good school, good knowledge. You can receive your own knowledge. If you want to grow here, also you can, and by understanding and by learning, you can grow here. If you visit to Bangalore, you will feel that you are just under the heaven. So keep on watching. See,
Guys, you can see two of our friends have gone before us and they're very, very eager to see the Vishal Market. I think they haven't seen. I just carry them to let them see the view.
here actually, what is this?
This is the bus stand. Yeah, you can just come here and take bus.
Một context này còn lúc nào mình lại hồi
Yeah.
đi building hay imo.
Actually, this building, you can see it, this building is what to say, it's a bank, let's say, it's a branch bank, likely branch, it's Apex Bank, the Karnataka State Cooperative Apex Bank Ltd. Yes, you can see there.
Hay para mình jarang lagi jong guys. Waduh, gitu. Mungkin banyak kau ini nggak pernah dengar tentang ini. Gimana? Mana do you know the notice? Pas nggak pernah kalian dengar. Dan musuh yang gue mana pegang apa itu?
Guys, one thing, if you haven't visited this channel, you please do subscribe and please like it and comment what you have seen and how do you feel. Please express your feelings and write in the comments box. How is clean the roadside? It's really beautiful. This is one of the temple. It may be a bit noisy because it's a city, polluted places. Either forever,
Bahar itu kadang-kadang, bahar ya. Lalu gimana itu?
You can see here auto how they were hanging the clothes, sad. They're just selling like this. just cross.
Yeah.
Let's cross it.
Okay. Then em ngồi nghiêng mặt.
Not a lot, oh my god. This guy almost hit us. This is a highway. It's called highway bridge. Bangalore highway. Cái nước đây bay à? Đi nước đây.
Bắt ổn mấy nữa. Một bát. Masih mau apa?
Không có. This is Bangalore highway. You can see here. Yeah, our friends have. The kidnapper asked to us, one of our friends, he has to give money. Anyway, it's good. We should be humble behind me. Here you can see many people gathering here. Ini yang boleh masih yang ni.
Yeah.
Kamera ini tak.
Aku suruh kau main kemana?
Thế này nè, tim thế hả? Vô thao thác gặp lây vậy.
Mau asim tak kami tu kena lah. Yang bapak tu tu lagi di kena.
Vita con, patha.
Kena tak kena tak tu. Asim lah harus tak kena tak. Cuma tak asim lah.
Thế là tim. What to say? It's really fine. It's very clean the way the roadside is good. It's clean really. If you have time, please do visit the Bangalore as well. So that's just possible. Guys, we are just about to reach the Vishal Market. Please be patient.
So guys, here you can see Bangalore. Finally, we almost reached the Vishal Market. So guys, keep on watching. Wait on. Here you can see Bangalore city. This building is Narayana. You can see. After just crossing the Narayana, and there is one building. After that, you see the Vishal Market. So guys, finally we have reached the Vishal Market, guys. Please keep on watching, my friend. Today we are in Bangalore. Don't worry, you saw all the inside. I will explain you inside after seeing. So keep on watching this Vishal Market in Bangalore. So guys, finally we have reached the Vishal Market. Here you can see. After just taking my sanitizer, here you take sanitizer. Then after that you have to enter inside. Vishal Market is very popular in Bangalore. It is the cheapest clothes and property and other extra. The quality is very good. It is very cheap. So guys, keep on watching. Here you can see. I will explain you all, guys. Here the shoes, you can see shoes. You see, the quality is very good. If you see the race, it is very nice. It is too low. Here I will show you all the shoes. Here you can find different kind of shoes and beautiful shoes. Here, the place to visit the Vishal Market is very cheap in Bangalore. I'm going to show all the Vishal, what is there is and what is. What do you like to buy? You can buy here different kind of. There is different colors and different qualities. But is very cheap. So see, buy two and get 50% off. If you are buying two, you'll get the 50% off. Suppose I'm going to give example. If there is 500, suppose both, and you can buy it for 250. So how is profit? Is very profit. If you go to other places, you'll find cost. But here, if you come to Bangalore, in Vishal Market, you'll find with cheapest. Jeans store you can see here. The quality is very fine. The cheapest, the prices are very low. See, casual shirt full sleeve. Here the prices is $399, and here if you see the cloth and you can see good quality. The price is very low. See half pen also. Oh my god. See, surprising fashion. Friendly price. Trial room. See, you can see.
Just buy and go and
See, after buying just you can go for trial, and if you like you buy, if you don't like it don't buy. So even my first time to visit, I got shocked. I can't believe what in my dreams. Harlo katang mo no. Okay, pepe minga. Hmm. See, you can find here good cooker. So you can find different kinds of whatever you need is there here. So guys, even me, I don't expect in my dreams, but when I visit in Bangalore, I really came to know. So please visit the Bangalore. See, here you can see. I'm going to show you all. Oh my God. See, they're all my friends. See, eatable things here you can find the eatable things. If you are enjoying Bangalore, you please keep on the comments, and you will see more. You'll find what you read and what expect. If you want to know, you'll see all in the videos. So according to me, it's very fine. Bangalore is very fine. I really enjoy Bangalore. So when I come to Bangalore, I feel like my dreams. So you can see here a pillow. Pillow what? That okay? 99. Ang lego, taruh. No. Right? You can see lots of your things. Aduh, kuning ka dosa.
Guys, this people has just arrived to the market with his friend. Oh, where do you come from? What would you like to say at my video now?
Nanti mau keluar. Mau tak? Ini 100. Yung mau dilarang dulu.
I compute with one to buy.